Welcome to the world of innovation and convenience. In this video, we'll take a close look at the fantastic and innovative portable clothes dryer, an ideal companion for your travels, whether for business or leisure, and even in dormitories or during work trips. Features. Foldable design. This dryer features a smart, foldable design, making it easy to carry and store. You can even tuck it into your bag without any hassle. 220-volt operation. Operating at 220 volts, it's perfect for use in various environments and regions. Fast and efficient drying. This dryer provides excellent performance in quickly and effectively drying clothes and shoes. Say goodbye to long waits for your clothes to dry. Clothes sterilization. Thanks to the built-in sterilization technology, the dryer enhances the cleanliness and freshness of your clothes, making them ready to wear at any time. How to use. Connect the dryer to a power source using the provided power cable. Place your clothes or shoes on the designated hanger. Turn on the dryer and enjoy fast and efficient drying. Whether you're on a trip or at home, you'll find that this portable dryer is the optimal solution for easily and effectively drying and sterilizing clothes and shoes. Get yours today and experience unparalleled convenience on your next journey.